Okay, this is to show I can do screencast. I have Photoshop open and I'm going to walk through the text tool and character assignment. Basically, with these, I went through and I changed all the lines accordingly. Like for this one, it said change font size. So I had selected all of it and changed the font size to 30. I believe it was probably 12 to start with, but I'm not totally sure. And then I went through and did that for all of the lines. Bold, change that right here. Kerning, you had to click in between each individual letter to change it. Baseline shift, change my leading or letting. It wasn't too difficult of an assignment. These ones especially were all very simple because you just had to open them, open up the character panel, and then all these options are right here. And I just had to put my name at the bottom, and that is that assignment.